to watch me lose my money with Eddie and the invisible Vinny Cuz again. Um, all right, let's do this again. We'll be taking $1,000 and turn it into two paper trading. All right, I just got a text from Vinny. He said he's going to be coming. But good morning. Good morning. Um, man, I hate losing money, and it's paper money. It's paper money too. But all right, let's do this. Good morning, Wes. Good morning, Richard. I am. Hold on, let me share my screen right now. Which one am I looking at? This one. Oh. All right. So, SPY is gonna be my main one that I'm gonna be looking at. Oh, look at all these lines. Okay, and let's see what we got for news today. Today is Friday the 3rd, 9:45. U.S. Global U.S. Services. ISM services at 10 a.m., 11 a.m. We got Dallas Fed President Logan speaks. All right. But today I'm going to wait 30 minutes after the market opens because this just, maybe I'm trading too early. Look, my account is already down to 698. I don't like this stuff, bro. See, I already have, you can't say nothing, Wes. I already got my support and resistance set up. Okay, I just got to play off of them. All right, let's see what we got. Hold on, I got a bigger chart. I've got a bigger chart right here. Yeah. See, but for some reason I like doing this. Well, I actually delete all my lines in my supply and demand, and I redraw them over and over again, kind of like get used to it. And then when Vinny comes in and he puts his chart up, then I'll go ahead and try to match it up, see if it. What do you say? What do you say? Hold on, I think he's texting. Oh, he's running late. He's running late. All right, I'm gonna mark my lines. I like to start at the daily. What do we got here? Here is one. See that? It touched. Where is it? See that? It touched right there. It touched right there. And then it took off. It came back down. It touched again. It touched again. It keeps bouncing off this line. All right, here's another one. I guess so. Let me see what else I got here. Hold on. Let me see Apple. Gosh, so many lines. So many lines. Yeah, 149. Yeah, 149.15. Hold on, let me move this up. Okay, yep, I see that. I see that. I see that. Yeah, let's see. If he tests us 149, maybe we can take a bounce off there. Take a put. But I'm watching it. I don't know. Okay, here is my other line. All right, so let's see. Looks like the market might be turning around for the SPY right now, so I'm keeping an eye on it. Vinny wants me to let it go, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm still not trading for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So it is going to be at 9 a.m. here, and it's going to be 10 a.m. over by you guys. East Coast. East Coast. But hold on. Wes did mention Apple. See what it does. Yep, 149.12. Hold on, hold on. Well, I got it at, hold on, that's 149.08, 149.17. All right, 149. See what it does at 149. Well, it's the only one that I see that's going to be, hey there, commuter. Does bonjour mean hello? Or could it be both, hello and goodbye? All right, and now let's take care of. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I'm actually looking at Apple right now, but I got my rules. I got my rules. I gotta follow my damn rules. First, it was 15 minutes. I have to stop trading. I noticed that my losses came during my first 30 minutes. Big losses. Big losses. So I need to wait for the stock to move for like 30 minutes, and maybe I can see the pattern and create a story. Story. God damn it. It's only paper money. I know. I know. But still, it still sucks. Where is it at? Oh, I heard him. I heard him. Any good news right now? Hold on, let me see. I usually have my Twitter up. Let's see, Wes. I see Apple. Apple's taking Apple's heading up there. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing too. I could actually take it to 149, and once it reaches that point, kind of just like sell and see what it does after it. Um, I'm not good at that stuff. Oh, that's right. I gotta. There we go. High and let me mark my low here. Come on, Apple. Take 30 minutes to get up there, and then turn around, go the other way. I got it on the 5 minute. You know, I think that maybe I should like trade on higher, trading on higher time frames. So I'm trading on the 5 minute. I'm gonna try trading on a high frame. Um, 5 minute, it kind of came down. 5 minute, it came right back down to this supply level right here. Let me extend this. We are looking at Apple right now. Got the 149 over there, and right under it, the supply where it keeps bouncing off from. So it keeps coming down to this level, and it bounces right off. So, right, am I doing this right? 149 and take it down to the support level. Let it reload and then see where it goes from there. So if it takes back off or comes back down. The only news that I got, it is at 9:45, 10, and 11. And I'm going to wait 30 minutes. I'm not doing nothing. I'm doing the Dom. I'm going to put my legs up. Oh, wait, hold on. It's going to make noise.
Yeah. Good morning, Edward.
Good morning there, Vinny. What's wrong? Oh, when you don't show your camera, that means you still have your the leave me alone face. I just
Ha
woke
ha 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 ha. No, I'm up.
smack
I'm up. No,
anything.
My bad.
It's like,
You don't want to see my ugly ass anyway, so what the hell? Oh, oh. Anyway,
Oh, but Apple is looking good. But I don't care what you say. I'm gonna keep my spy up.
Apple's looking good to the upside or downside. I haven't looked at it yet.
It looks good to the downside. Wes was looking at it too.
Uh huh.
Hold on,
Okay.
unlimited home overnight car charging in Texas. Dude, I don't. Well, no, I gotta look that up. Commuter, I didn't know. If I own the house,
Uh, hey, good morning, Eddie. I mean Eddie. Yeah, good
hey,
morning,
hey,
Eddie, bro.
don't confuse me.
Nah, man, I worked last night and then I got home and went down a rabbit hole and I'm like, fudge, I gotta get to sleep. I gotta get up in the morning. Anyway, so let's see comments. Hey Eddie, did you see that Tesla's offering unlimited home overnight car charging in Texas for $30? Wow, $30 a month. You can't beat that, bro. I would think you can't beat
That's
that.
actually pretty good because driving with the Tesla,
Mm-hmm.
um, I spend about $16 a day,
Mm-hmm.
so it pays itself. Well, but then again, charging at home, you know, the car's got to sit there for a couple hours.
Right. All right. Let's see. There it is, Eddie. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. I got the wrong thing showing. Uh, yeah, that's what I want right there. I think that's what I want. Is that what I want? There you go, buddy. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, this is yours. This is yours.
Yep. You see the account detail?
Damn it. All right, Vinny. I think Vinny cheated. Vinny
I,
cheated.
I
He
did
put a
not cheat.
he put a
I put a what? I did not cheat.
you did a
Listen,
you did a trade.
I
You
took
did
it
he did
easy.
it. No overnight trades. Damn it.
What do you mean no overnight trades? No, 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 no.
Rule
Okay.
number rule number
That's
four.
bull.
No
That
overnight
rule number
trading.
4. You can't now I can't hold overnight.
Okay, no, because I don't know how to do overnight.
So let me run this down to you so you know. Okay. So when you're trading options, if you say you have $1,000 in your account and you use talk about a cash account now,
Uh huh.
and you use a say you trade $800 that day, only leaves you $200 worth of settled cash. Okay, but you want to trade again, you can use unsettled cash and make a trade the same day. The trick is you cannot close out that trade until the next business day. If
Sucks.
you try to use unsettled cash and close an unsettled cash trade out the same day, you get uh, a flag because you're trading with money that's not settled. So the SEC hits you with a flag, a trading. I forget what the technical term of it is, but you
Yeah,
get hit
actually,
with a flag,
I kept
right?
getting those. I didn't know that I was actually trading, doing that.
Right. So yesterday, Power Hour, I'm looking at the market, and it was on my head too because I did you a big disservice yesterday, Eddie, and I'm gonna apologize to you because I did you a big disservice. You know how they say, "Spare the rod, spoil the child."
Uh huh. Kind
Okay,
of.
so in other words, bro, and don't take this the wrong way. I swear to God, I love you to death, but don't take this the wrong way. Yesterday, my whole attitude was, you know what? I need to back off a little bit and let Eddie catch up. So I
Yeah.
came in and I purposely took that bullshit trade yesterday morning on SPX.
Uh
And it
huh.
was bothering me because that's a trade that I would never take, or I would have had my stop loss in there a long time ago. So I felt I felt like I did you a disservice by taking that kind of trade because that was showing no discipline. reckless abandon. And I'm being dead serious about it. Bro, this shit bothered me yesterday. It really did. And I know it's a paper account, da da da. But I want to see you learn. I need to continue to learn. And by doing what I did yesterday morning, it was wrong because this is serious business. Serious business. And then last night, so anyway, going into power hour before I went out to
Yeah,
work,
but
because I don't
it
start.
wouldn't matter. I mean, you said this is a trade that you wouldn't technically take. So, I mean,
Right. But
I
I
was
came
thinking
home
I was
right.
thinking as if you was practicing.
Right. No, I wasn't. I was and I was in mess around, screw off. In other words, I wasn't disciplined and I wasn't being true to my trading strategies. So I apologize for that because that was important to me. So anyway, so then when I did power
You
hour,
are
I was like, all
forgiven.
right,
You are forgiven.
no, bro, listen, that's the way I am. That's the way I'm cut. So anyway, by the way, this contract's going to go through the roof. This contract opened up in 1958. So yesterday I bought a 1995 call, option call for today. I paid $990 for that contract. It ran up over, it got up over 1400 yesterday, right? But I couldn't trade it because then I would have violated the rules, the actual rules of option trading. So I held it overnight. Woke up this morning and I saw that at opening bell, the contract was worth 2,400. I sent you a picture yesterday. It hit 2,400. So a $990 call option, which that's a lot of money, bro. Like you're playing with big boys and big danger. But I knew it would pop, and it did. It popped. It popped. It's gonna pop again. It's at 1670 right now. So
And it was a damn. If you would have just used your uh real money account.
yeah, well, listen. First of all, I would never hold $1,000. I don't think I would be. I mean, it was a pretty sure thing that we were going to see an opening range this morning, a continuation to the upside, just based on the charts. Just based on momentum from yesterday. Just based on the fact that we should have some continuation to the upside this morning because yesterday was the first day of the week where we actually had a positive day on Wall Street, so to speak. Where all three indices kind of moved in an upward trend. So, but there's nothing guaranteed, and that's why I say if I'm in options, if I'm in short term options, I'll never hold them overnight ever. But yeah, it's there it is. So that contract I wound up buying it at 990. I sold it at 1560s just so I could get to that 2K.
Oh my God.
Um,
Yeah.
right now it's at 1892. I'm almost 1,000. That contract would be worth almost $1,000 right now, above and beyond what I paid. So there it is, and I apologize. Now you can kiss my ass. I'm done apologizing.
There was a lot of apologizing, Vinny.
Well, because listen,
And I
like,
was watching your video over and over and over
well,
and
and
over.
then I get home to I got home about I guess I got home right before midnight. And and I'm sitting here and that was on my head. And then I watched Jeff's latest video where he put out a video, I guess, well, would have been my time, like 1 a.m. I guess he was changing the starter on a car. It looks like I don't know, it looked like a little Honda or something like that, where, and he was just talking about what we always talk about, having second and third, streams of revenue. And then I opened up Twitter and I started going through Twitter and I'm like, bro, like we live in some fucked up times right now.
Yeah, because you probably read what Puppy Joe was saying about the lady that lost her kids to fentanyl.
Oh my god,
To
dude.
fentanyl.
Oh my god. Oh,
That
to
was
be
so
honest,
bad.
what does he say? But to be honest, that was
To
under
be
the
honest, that
last
was the last administration. I was
administration.
like, what?
He says it's the last administration, then he throws out that little ha ha. Like, How freaking insensitive can you be, bro?
But
Like
he's
we're living in a banana republic, dude. We truly are living in clown world. Anyway, anyway, I don't want to get all dragged out because, dude, like I was down a rabbit hole
sure.
last night, man, mentally. All right, let's see, Vinny, you made some money overnight. Yes, Wes. I'm sorry, bro. I'm way off the reservation this morning, bro. I'm way out of there. But if I'd have stayed in this contract, I'd have been making another. I'd have been up another $300 right now. I sold that contract at 1560. It's currently at 1843. Yeah, bro. Every now and then, I'll run into a contract or two where I feel really, really. Listen, nothing's 100%, but I felt really, really good about continuation this morning. I really did. And I'll show you a reason why. Eddie, do you mind if I show my reason why?
Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you indulging me.
Because I want to see too.
So there's the chart, right? There's my chart. Let me do something here so you guys can see a little better. Can't nobody tell me nothing. So here's the SPY chart from yesterday, right? And so we had this big trend off the low of yesterday, not pre-market low, but the low of yesterday. So there's the trend right there, right? Boom. That's one trend. Then we broke this zone here, right? Eddie, remember we were talking about catching wicked in,
Uh huh.
rejected, came back in, wicked in, and then finally in the afternoon, what time was this? About 1:30, it just fired off. Just fired off. Came back down into that zone
Into
again,
that zone and it bounced
I
right
mean,
off.
yeah, bounced right into that zone, broke through, never closed into it, and then fired off all the way to the next upper zone. Here, giving us another trend upwards, right? So there's another one. And this don't mean nothing, but we got an uptrend here. We've got an uptrend here. Pre-market, I mean aftermarket, it came back into that zone, that second zone right there. Nothing. It never broke out of this zone. This morning, big gap up on SPY, all the way into the next zone. So, looking at this here, I'm trying to make this to where you guys can see it a little better.
Yeah, it's just like it's very grayish.
There, that's better, right? That's better.
Eh, but we can I
What?
can see
It's
the
either going to
lines.
be
I
that
can
or
see the
jet
lines.
black. Okay. So when you look at this, and we're still firing off on another goddamn zone, lower pre-market, right? And there you go. So you have your overall move from yesterday to today. It's not what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Your overall move of yesterday to today, right now, in this uptrend, is about 2% or 8.18 points. That's huge. Huge. It's a big move, dude.
From yesterday to
Big
today. Yeah,
move.
okay, I see.
Now, do you remember what my blue, white, and yellow lines are, Eddie?
No, you didn't explain no blue, white, and yellow. Oh, okay. Hold on.
You know what this is, right? You know what that represents, right? So I'm on the 30-minute chart. All right. I'm on the 30-minute chart. Obviously, we have a clear from a couple of days ago, right?
A
We have a
bottom, yeah.
clear bounce. We have a clear bounce here. Big V bounce right here to right there. I'm going to change that color so everybody can see it. I don't want no excuses. That's a clear bounce, correct?
Uh huh.
Came hit support, at 392.01 and fired off, right? It's very clear. One day, clear fire off. So what I did is I went back to the top of the last leg, which was right here. Because this is a leg down. Hold on, let me do it this. Hold on a second. Let me show you something. This is clearly a leg down right here. Right? Would we agree that's a leg down right there? So then what I did
Okay.
was I went to the last leg with the Fibonacci, pulled it, 50% retracement, blue dotted line. 61% retracement, white dotted line. 78.6 retracement, yellow dotted line. All of these factors kind of led me to believe, and believe me, I wasn't looking at pre-market. There was no pre-market yesterday. All of these factors led me to believe that we would have some continuation today. Market sentiment, the market, the market is going to keep pushing until it breaks. Until it breaks. Because when this dam breaks, when the market finally capitulates, bro, it's going to be bad. 401k is going to be wiped out. By the way, let me show you this real quick. You're gonna shit yourself. Remember when I told you SPX options are high risk, high reward?
Yeah, yeah. These are the ones you took yesterday.
This is the one I took yesterday. It just hit 2470,
And would you get it at?
990. Now I'm out of the trade. Once I broke 2000, I was done. But I could have kept. I would have rode this sucker. I'd have rode this sucker like a cowboy on a bronco, bro. I'd have been I'd have been rolling. I swear to God. SPX, when you have huge moves like this, look at my left side chart. When you get huge moves, huge leg up legs like this, where SPX is moving 60, 70, 80 points. That means SPY is moving 3, 4, 5 points. Okay. You understand the correlation? SPY and SPX. Okay. When you see big moves like that to the upside or the downside, bro, there are huge gobs of money to be made. You just got to have the balls to pull the trigger. And you better have a plan. But when you get those huge moves like that in the contracts, you gotta you gotta be willing to do it. SPX is so flipping dangerous because the contracts are so flipping expensive, and the premiums on these contracts are so violent up and down. But if you catch it, you can turn $200 into $2,000. You can turn $990 into $2,500 if you catch it. Big money. Big money. It's Wild Card Friday because that's what every Friday is. Friday is the Wild Card days because everybody's thinking about getting their goddamn money out in the market anyway because they don't want to let it sit over the weekend, especially with Joey Boy at the helm.
No, Puppy Joe keeps messing up. He just doesn't know what that is doing. But well, I got my support system. Well, this is Apple right now. um, I added 15 minutes to my 15-minute aftermarket wait rule.
Wait a minute,
So,
where you at? Where you at? Where you at? There you go. My bad, dude. Go for it.
so I have to wait 30 minutes. I wanted to wait 30 minutes, which is right now.
You should 10 o'clock. You should.
There is news that are coming on right now.
About
Damn it. Hold on.
what's today's news, my brother? What you got,
All
CNN?
right, I got Twitter here.
Ain't nobody tell me nothing.
Yep, 9:45. Hold on. Today's the third, right? Yep, today's the third. 9:45 U.S. S&P Global U.S. Services. 10 a.m. ISM services. What's ISM services?
I have no idea.
And 11 a.m. is the Dallas Fed Logan speech, Fed chancellor.
Yeah. Well, you know what? You know how the other day you asked me about these Fed presidents when they run their mouth, when they come
Yeah.
on for these TED Talk things that they do, and they said that and I made mention that they don't mean shit. They're just yapping their gums. It doesn't mean nothing. The one guy yesterday is what turned the market. That big spike at 130. That's what turned the market yesterday because one of the Fed chairmen, one of the Fed presidents, whatever the hell they call themselves, um, made mention that yeah, it looks like we're only going to do a 0.25% on the rate hike this month when everybody is starting to price in a 0.5% interest rate hike.
Well, there's a Fed talking today, but at 3
So,
p.m.
yeah,
Michelle Bowman.
so yeah, so for whatever, and that's how sensitive the market is right now, dude. Like in the last year, none of these Fed presidents, whenever they ran their mouth, meant shit. Everybody, only thing people cared about is Jerome Powell.
Okay.
This yesterday was the first time in a long time that I can remember one of these Fed chairmen saying something and the market reacting to it. But the market itself, the market sentiment itself is trying to squeeze every last bit of profit to the upside right now that it can. And it's trying to take advantage of pension funds, 401ks, all of these things. They're trying to squeeze every freaking penny out of them before the market collapses. Because the writing's on the wall. The writing is on the wall, dude. It's gonna be bad. You better start getting your Folgers coffee cans, right? Hey, y'all think I'm joking?
Well, I don't know. That's why I wanted to do this. I'm actually surprised that you wanted to do this too. So that
Look,
you keep
Folgers
day
coffee
trading
can.
is so.
Folgers coffee can.
Oh.
You better get some of these. Drink the coffee. Drink the coffee. It's cheap coffee, but it's damn good coffee. And then take these are plastic now, and start socking away your money. Whether it's pennies, quarters, dimes, nickels, I ain't gonna pop this lid because I had to shoot somebody they tried to break in my house, right? But I'm just saying, start socking your money away. Try to get as clean as you can. Try to get as debt free as you can right now. Because when it hits, it's gonna hit hard, man, and everybody's gonna get hit. I
Um,
was thinking about that too this past week, about just clearing out all my debt. Try to get rid of as much debt as possible.
right now, the only debt that I have that I still have is my student loan.
Oh, Poppy Joe. Poppy Joe, that's it. That's sitting in front of the Supreme Court right now, right?
Yeah, the loan forgiveness, whatever.
Yeah.
Yep, they sent me a do you want to be forgiven for? I was like, nope, I don't want to be forgiven. I want to pay for it. I don't want to do that crap.
Oh man. My Apple calls from yesterday paid out well. Took profits. Could have made way more today also. Yeah, but profit is profit, bro. You know your number, whether it's 10%, 20%, 50%. I'm a 10, 20, 50 guy, bro. I'm always trying to get that minimum 10%. I mean, if you think about this, right, Eddie, I was thinking about this too last night. If you take $100, right, and you can make 20% on that $100, how much is that?
Well, that's $20.
Okay. So now the next day, you have $120. What's 20% of that?
What is that? 2150,
$24.
24, 24?
Yep.
Two,
Yep.
yeah, 24.
Okay. So that's the wrong analogy I wanted to use. Hold on.
I know
You
what you
take
mean,
five,
though.
but you take $500. You can legit turn $500, right? If you play the market correctly, make the right guesses, and the market plays. There's no reason why you can't turn $100 into $200 in a week. There's no reason why you can't turn $500 into $1,000 every week. We're not talking a ton of money here, but we are talking getting down and dirty and being and locking in on trading, locking in on yourself, and focusing on the markets. But you can legit take $500 today, right? You can trade 20% of that number, right? And when you have a small account, you want to be as conservative as possible. But if you're trading options, that's the fastest way to grow that small account. Now you can lose that small account too. Don't get it twisted. You make stupid trades, you're going to lose money.
That's why I
But
was
you can take
watching that. I,
500
I
into
was watching. I was watching that girl again. Peachy,
oh,
whatever, Peachy Trader,
oh, Peachy Investor. Okay.
Peachy Investor, and she said the same thing. I was like, look, if you just make like 10, 20% every day, it adds up. Just take your small wins.
Yeah. Take your small wins. Um, Thank you, Wes. I appreciate that. I'm a
Yeah, they like your trading analysis.
why am okay. I know. Oops, seems like one of your streams is having connection issues. I'm freezing up here a minute. Why am I freezing up?
Yeah, I don't know. I
The
keep hearing
fuck?
like a robot, but
All right, I'm having a few connection issues here. Shouldn't be having connection issues. The fuck?
okay, let's
Hold on a
try
minute.
this. I got my Apple. My 30 minutes have been. I've been looking at Apple this whole entire time, and I also got Tesla up here.
Am I still frozen, Eddie?
I don't see you frozen.
It's telling me my signal. All right, my signal connection is back.
Yeah, I don't see you frozen.
Hold on. God damn it. Ain't nobody tell me nothing. Oh man, trying to deal with too much shit. Anyway, Wes, I appreciate what you were saying about the trading analysis, dude. I just try to keep it simple, bro. You look at a lot of people, man, they'll throw up 19,000 different indicators and 19,000 is a doing trading. Not listen, cash secured options, you can't get in trouble. Never trade with margin, can never get in trouble. Right? Not only do you have to be safe and smart and focused with your trades, whether you're intraday trading, whether you're swing trading, or whether you're investing. Too much information is a bad thing, bro. Just I see some people with their charts and they've
That's
got, huh? Go ahead.
over. I forgot what the term was for that when you have too much information in the chart.
Yeah,
Over something.
it's
There's a
yeah,
term for
it's
it.
paralysis by analysis. It's way too much information. Good morning, Kiki. My bad, boo. Where's
Okay,
Kiki?
that's
Hold
right.
on,
Kiki is
Kiki.
here.
Yeah, let me get her. Let me get her in here. FBI, open up! So Kiki has entered the building and she's like flipping. Dude, so that contract that reached 2470 is now trading at 1390. That's $1,000 swing, bro. It's $1,000 swing.
I gotta keep doing some practicing.
Yes.
I gotta keep
Even
doing
even
some
even when we
practicing.
move into live money, you still, you still. So you make your one trade a day in your cash account, and then you go right into back into paper trading, and you're constantly working on your craft. But it's perfecting the simple techniques. It's perfecting seeing your entries and your exits. It's perfecting looking for your setups. You find one strategy, maybe two, and you focus on them. You find two or three stocks that you're willing to sit there and learn how those stocks move, and you focus on them. You lock in. Trading is a wash, rinse, and repeat habit. It's what it is, like without question. This shit is not complicated. Everybody gets on YouTube and they see the lifestyles, right? But they don't realize, and oh, I did this today, and yeah, and I saw this coming, and oh, here's an iron condor, or man, fuck all that. Know you support resistances, right? Understand trends. Nothing's guaranteed because at any given second the rug can be pulled. Joey Boy might trip down the stairs again and the market goes through the roof. You know what I'm saying? It's yeah, bro. Yeah. Trading at its core is not that goddamn difficult. We make it
No,
difficult.
it's not bad, but remember, for new traders, this is just, man.
If you understand, okay, Eddie, tell you what, I'm gonna pull up a new chart here. What is so hard about doing this? Hold on. Hold on. Hold
Yeah,
on.
it's just not doing it, not doing it before, not being able to do it. Like we might see it when you're doing it, but when we're doing it, it's not the same thing because you're using you're already reviewed the chart. But if I'm reviewing a chart that I have never put any lines on it before,
Okay. Yeah,
for
I get
me,
all
I'm
that.
just guessing.
Okay. I get all that. But here we go. Here's a chart. I'm gonna bring it up. Okay, there it is, right? There's a chart, right?
Uh huh.
Basic support and resistance lines. We have resistance here.
Right
Well,
there.
actually, it's the support now, right? Because it bounced off that. So we have a support level here. Shut your bitch ass up, Ricky Bobby. Ain't nobody trying to hear you, bro. I didn't even know I had that damn thing on. Um, that's my little Cuban buddy, my little Cuban cricket farmer. Anyway, we have a resistance area right here, right? Because we broke through it, bounced up, it rejected off this area here. We opened up that up, rejected off this area right here,
Uh huh.
right? Uh, there you go. Rejected off that area and continued to the downside. Came all the way down, set this new low yesterday. By the way, $9.52 is their 52-week low. Yeah, 9.52. That's Lyft, by the way. This is terrible for Lyft. Terrible. And look what it did. You could have got in. You could have got in anywhere here, right? As it bounced off. And you could be riding this trend right up. You're moving in a trend here. You're trending up. You could have it got up here. And look, it came all the way back to the previous resistance. So there's a 50-cent trade from 9.52 to $10. That's a 50-cent trade. You just have to let the setup happen. You have to be patient. You don't want to trade in this. You don't want to trade in this chop. You definitely don't want to trade in the chop. But there's the chop right there. Here we go. Boom. Bring this across. There's more chop right there. It's just chop. And once it broke out of that chop, you could have rode all the way down to the downside. Once it broke out of the zone, down to the downside. I know it sounds simple because it is simple. You can't overcomplicate this shit, bro. You cannot overcomplicate this shit.
I gotta
Anyway,
take a look at mine again.
close that without saving. Anyway, we're back here. I'm sorry, bro. I'm just on a tandem. I'm telling you, Eddie, I felt really bad that I pulled that move yesterday morning. That was such a disservice to you. That was arrogant of me. And arrogance in trading will get you killed. Like literally will leave you financially broke.
Well, I'm gonna be taking this trade right now, which is my Apple 5 minute target over here of 153.10, which is my next resistance. Um, I was thinking that I was gonna bounce off and come back down, but it didn't. It actually is continuing to the upside. So
All right, let's get it. Are you seeing the setup? You seeing what you want to see?
yeah, well, Wes brought it up. but I kind of have it set up here. So
All right. Anybody trading SPY? We're back over 400. We're about to break another level, 487. We break that 487. Look for SPY. Next level up will be 402.77.
let's see if I could get this
By the way, that SPX contract, that
supply.
SPX contract is back up to 2079. When I tell you SPX moves $500 swings, I'm not even joking. $1,000 swings, not even joking. Let's see what else we got here. Apple will hit 117 sometime this year. Mark my words. Get in your puts now and multiply multiples. Yeah, bro. I listen. I of that I have no doubt. I always thought Apple was way overvalued, and that's just because it's a cult. Bro, I learned something about the Apple phone yesterday. If you got an Apple phone, did you know there is a setting that Apple setting in Apple that monitors your carbon footprint when it comes to charging your phone.
Yeah.
It monitors your carbon footprint when charging your phone. And by that act, it can throttle down. We know those words with Apple, right? The more new phones they put out, the older phones they want to recycle out, they throttle your shit down. It's a freaking cult, bro, right? They will throttle down how fast your iPhone will charge. I just learned this yesterday. I've had that piece of crap Apple phone for 2 years now. Worst goddamn phone I've ever owned. The 12 Pro Max or the 12 Pro. I bought it new. I should have threw that sucker out the window the day I got it. You got to go into your settings under your battery charging, and it's the last setting at the bottom. You got to turn that shit off. Because if not, if you're someone like us that's a driver, you're a power charger. You're constantly charging that phone because Apple batteries they run down so damn quick. That's another little trick they do to you. Get you to replace your battery or buy a new phone. They'll tell you, "Oh well, we don't have battery replacements. You got to buy a new phone," and they keep you hooked. Apple is a flipping cult. They're a Chinese cult. Steve Jobs is probably rolling in his grave. Oh man, boy, I'm just full of tandems today. Richie, that's what dividend stocks are. Set them and forget them. Yeah, absolutely. But your rate of return is very small. So in a case of someone in their 20s or 30s, those are really good to have because in 30 years, God willing, you live that long, you'll have a nice little retirement egg. But again, why would you want? No, let me rethink this. Investing wise, it's always good to have dividend stocks if you're investing long term holds. Absolutely. Short term though, I mean, let's be honest. If you're making 6% annually, so at the end of the year, instead of $100, you got $106. Well, hell, that was a waste of $100. You had $100 tied up and you made no money on it. Like who wants to do that shit? We don't live in that world anymore. That's for like those, you know, 1950s, 60s, 70s, maybe even the 80s babies. But in this generation, in this millennial, in this speed of this world, you got to be able to make more than 6% annually. All right, who is this? I don't know that. I don't recognize his name. The Real Walt. Oh, the Real Weight, New York City. Not about if it's going to happen. It's about when it's, bro. 100% right there. 100%, bro. 100%. It's not about if it's going to happen. It's when it's going to happen. Eddie, what are we doing, bro? Tell me to shut up. I'm talking too much.
Nothing. I'm just keeping an eye on what is this? Apple. I'm keeping an eye on Apple right now.
All right. Walk me through it. What's it doing?
So nothing. I have my 149.12 resistance here. I'm playing the 5 minute, and
Okay.
I'm taking it up to my zone over here. So my stop is right down here. So I have a 52 loss for a possible 90 win.
A 52 loss for a possible 90
Yeah,
wins, so
point
just
52.
under one and a half. All right.
So
So you're working at a 1.5 to 1. Okay. I'm cool with that. Do your thing, homie.
it's just that it passed this 149.12, which was this resistance point. Uh, where is it? I need to go a little farther away.
What the hell is Richie
It's
talking
like
about?
it's like right up there.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. Richie, if you're listening, click the one that says turn off. Ah, see, he just went and found out Richie's an Apple connoisseur. He's got like two Apple phones, the latest greatest Apple phones, iPads. If there was a poster child for Apple, it would be Richie. Richie's face would be there. And there's nothing wrong with that. But just click the one that says turn off completely. And you'll never have to worry about having your charging throttled down again until you take a new update. And when you take a new update from Apple,
They
you need
take
to
it
go
off.
in there. When you take it, yep, you gotta go in there and reset everything again. Yes, on the iPads also, Richie. Can you hear me? iPads also, brother. I mean, this dude's got my bat phone, bro. He's got the red telephone. Reach out to me at any time, day or night. I used to trade currencies, never stocks though. Same rules apply. Yes, sir. Trading is trading. Doesn't matter the asset. It's just trading is trading. Yeah, I've told the story. Son-in-law, man, that's how he kind of put himself through college a little bit. He was trading forex. That's how he made his money in college. And I see people trading currencies all the time. I've never done it. Like I really want to do it. One day I'm going to lock in, but I got to set up a broker for forex. Hendry, morning all. Good morning, Hendry. How you doing? The real weight says he thinks you can wait for a better entry. I think Eddie, you're already in the trade, or you're waiting on the
Yeah, I'm
entry.
already I'm already in the trade. It was the pullback. The
Okay.
pullback was my entry once it broke the previous candle's high, which was right here. So this is when I did my entry.
Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha.
Um,
Oh man.
so I'm using the 5 minute. It's slow as hell. But anyway, Wes was bringing up, that this 49, but yep, it broke that 149, but it came right down to my line and it bounced right off, and my next green candle with like literally right off of my line. So I put it in the right place, and I just waited for the candle of a candle, and that's when I placed my trade, and I was coming back to it, and I'm expecting a bounce, and once it gets into my zone, that's when I'll take my profits.
That's it.
So I'm not. I'm playing the strategy. Emotionally, I don't want to do nothing, but I'm playing the strategy.
I'm doing my dom. I got my dom going, bro. I got my dom going.
I waited my 30 minutes. Okay, I have my two stocks, which was Apple. Wes brought it up. I looked at it. It's like, oh, okay, I see it. And SPY.
Can't nobody tell me nothing.
And by the way, SPY is bouncing off right on the daily, right off the 200, the two hundreds.
So I am up $620 today. So now I got to do the math. Hold on, I'm just finishing out my board. I'm getting my board here done. Oh, that contract just shot up to 25.54. Ah, God damn, son, if you can handle the swings, you can make some money.
Well, which one? Well, Tesla. I mean, Apple just shut up, kind of. Oh
Wow.
yeah.
So that's plus 489.
All right, let's see if it goes. I'm playing it. I'm doing it, Wes. Well, Wes was, you know, he was thinking that I was gonna turn around and go the other way, but it actually didn't once it reached that 149 level.
All right, just updated my board. Oh man, I had an interesting day yesterday driving, Eddie. Well, we'll wait till you're done with your trade, and then we'll do a driving recap. But it was an interesting day for sure. Patience, my brother, patience. Let me pull up Apple. I haven't even looked at Apple today.
Yeah. You know what? Look at it. Mark your support. Mark your line, but then show me where your zone is. And I want to see if you put it at the same spot that I put it in.
Hold on a minute. Let me get into it. There's Apple. We'll show you a clean chart. So, we're at a clean chart. Let me get on to the 30-minute. All right, so I got a clean Apple chart here, a 30-minute time frame. It's pretty obvious right now it's getting ready to hit a resistance level, a
Mm-hmm.
support resistance area. Let's see if this is it right there. Hold on. Let me get this out of here. Let me see where we're at. Oh, we're at it right now. You're on it right now. You got 1 point here, somewhat of a spot here, broke through, bounced back up here, rejected here to the upside, came through, finally broke down, came back up, rejected there, broke all the way down. It's back up at that spot right now.
I got my spot over here,
Dead
zone
at
at like
152.
one. What is this? One. Damn it. That's not what I want.
All right, so hold on. Let me throw some lines up. Bro, this is the easiest way for me to do it. Just drop a line in and then just look at that. And it just starts moving in. So 145.79 would be one. We got a gapper here, which it did fill, right? But we came through
149.92.
there. Look, came down here.
150.34. That's where my supply starts. 150.34.
We bounced off there, came
The
back
zone.
down, rejected, bounced up, came back down, broke through, came up, rejected down, bounced back up, came through, broke through it again, wick down into it, and we're bouncing off. So here's the zone
Mm-hmm.
right here. Your trade zone from yesterday to today would have been that. Oh wow, that's a nice bump right there, man. From yesterday to today, we're talking a $5 swing. Actually, more than that. Apple as low yesterday was 143.60, and we're at 150 right now. Just broke 150. It's a nice freaking $6.50 move, man. Well, no, it'd be less. Yeah, $6.50 move. It's a nice move. All right, let's see what else we got to the upside. Let me find another one in here. Can't nobody tell me nothing. I don't know why I'm singing that song because I don't like that little Nas. He's a demonic son of a bitch. Yeah, I would say in here. I mean, you got rejection, support, breakthrough, back up, support, rejection,
Yes,
rejection.
but you see, if you go all the way across, that's kind of like a zone.
Yeah, of course.
I'm about to hit my.
Yeah.
So I have about at one. Hold on
Well,
mine,
remember
it
now,
is
this is a
a
30-minute chart. This is my 30-minute chart.
no. I'm
So
on the
we'll deal with that. We got one to the top, one to the bottom, and the current. We're at the current support resistance area.
on my
Right,
five
we got one to
minute.
the top, one to the bottom. Let
Yep,
me let me see something here.
150.34.
I didn't want to put one here, but there might be. Yeah, and there's kind of like one here. So there you go.
Yep.
There, chop, chop, chop. Yeah. All right. So there you go. So we got one to the top, one to the bottom. 148.70, 150 on the nose, 150, 124 to the top. So let's break down the 5-minute chart. and let's see where we're at. Actually, you're in a zone now, bro. If you wanted to be like really technical about it, you're kind of in a zone right now here. Let's go right here. So here we go. Broke into this zone. You're kind of in that zone now, what I would consider in that zone. Because you've got wicks up, wick ups, and breakdown, wick up, breakdown. You got a wick down, finally gets in there, and then it rode all this chopping here, chopping there. Yeah, you're in a zone now, dude. So if it pops out, and then this would be the next zone right here, which is a very tiny zone. But yeah, if I were doing this is where I'd be at. Now let's add in some trend lines. I'm going to use a trend channel here. We can use a regression trend. Let's get this where I want it. So, God, where do I want to start this one? I mean, this is the V. The only thing bad about this, dude, is there you go. I'm on trading view. So there's your trend. There you go. My Apple chart set. If I were trading this, this is how I would do it. Because if it bounces out of this zone, right, then we got an opportunity to get to 151.24. But if it rejects back into this zone, then we got to start looking towards the downside at some point. But you can play this all the way back down to 148.70. So, yeah, there's a case there for both calls and puts. You're at a good spot now to make a decision.
Uh-huh. I'm in a good spot to actually sell what I have and see continue it to the downside.
Yep. Hey, Wes said he wants me to look at Facebook. Richie, God, I hate Mark Zuckerberg. I like the yeah, evil empire. Let's see. Wes said, remember, he's going to do puts 2 weeks out. He's going to be looking to take a 2 week puts on Apple after it retests this area here, and then we'll take a look at Facebook in
Yeah,
a
the one
minute.
that we're in, right?
So you tell me, Eddie, the way I just mapped it out, is it close to what you're looking at?
Yeah, you put me in it. I'm not in it yet.
So you're in the zone above me then. You're in the 150 to 151 area.
150 to 150. Yeah, what is this like 150? I was just taking the
No, you're in. Listen, you're that's the zone above. That's the zone above my zone. That's how I see it. This is how you see it, and that's okay. There's no right or wrong. It's what you're used to seeing, what you think you're seeing. So now on this channel, right? On this trend channel, I want
uh-huh.
to see right. I want to see now if it breaks below it and closes a full candle body below this trend zone, then we got to start looking that it's about to come back down. If it's steady, and this is the 5 minute chart, let me get into a
Yeah,
2 minute.
this is the 5 minute. I'm staring at the 5 minute.
Yeah, yeah. Meta is up. Meta's up 5%. That's what Richie was telling me. Facebook is moving. Facebook's on the move. I don't know why Facebook's on the move. All right, so while you're looking at that, I'm going to go ahead and look at Facebook for Richie. You got your chart up, right? Yeah, we're on your chart.
Oh yeah, I got my chart up. I've got my chart up. This is the 30 minute. This is the 5 minute. 41, 401 at 99. I see it.
And Facebook is up a good little penny right now. Let me put Facebook on a daily. Oh, Oh, I see downside for Facebook in the future, buddy. Oh, sugar. I didn't even see that. God damn.
Ooh, what you got?
Okay. I'm on the daily. The meta, the Facebook chart on the daily. What's the two things that stick out to you right now? Just looking at that daily chart. What are the two glaring things you see right now on Meta?
What the two gaps? The three gaps?
Huge gaps. Well, no, it's
Yeah.
only two gaps because it filled this gap. It filled this gap already.
One here, two here, with like a big one all the way up at the top there that has not filled yet.
Right. Look at that. So we got and technically, so
That
you
is
got a
so
gap here. You got a big gap here that's going to happen at some point. That's got to fill. And then you got another smaller gap down here that hasn't filled yet. Now, this is on the daily. This is not taken into consideration overnight, right? But you got two glaring gaps right there that need to be filled. At some point, they're going to fill. All right. So let's put in some support resistance. Obviously, we got a very solid support resistance line right there. Yeah. See, and this goes all the way back to November of 2017, right? We got support resistance all through this area here. And that's what it's hitting up against now, the 182, 183.34. What's it trading at? 182.51. So you got that big area of support resistance. Looks like you got another one. Let's just drop this in somewhere and then I can adjust the line. So you got another one right here at 201.16. Actually, that could come down some. There's one in between there too. 1 point, 2 points. And it's hitting up. Here's the third point right here, 196.60, 196.92. And then I need one below this area. Let's see what this lines up to. Yep, another one. I'm telling you, bro, the more you watch these charts when you're in the macro time frame, Wes will appreciate this. When you're in the large scaled out time frames, it's so much easier to see. The more you get used to dropping in support and resistance lines, the easier it's going to come for you to just see them. You're going to just be able to see them.
well. I just got out of my call. I do not. I'm still down $30. I'm about to switch. Okay, hold on. Bathroom break.
All right. So this is acting as support right now. We're going to change that to green. So far, this is on the 30-minute time frame there, Richard. We don't know if this is supported. We know that it's a point of resistance because it resisted here, finally broke through support, chopping in support, then finally broke down again, resistance, and we're gonna find out if it's resistance now. Big day today, though, boy. If you were trading Facebook today, you could have made some money on Facebook today. I don't trust Facebook as far as I can look at it. I don't trade it, so I'm not real familiar with it. But I mean, Facebook is definitely here. We definitely got a trend going on here. So there's the current trend on Facebook on the 5-minute chart. Richie, that's how I'd be looking at it. It's got to break through this 183.34. It's got to get above it and then start closing above that resistance area right now. Right now, it's a solid resistance area on Facebook. That's what I see. It always falls back. Does it pay to take a short term put? I don't know. I'm not familiar with the Facebook stock. I don't understand how it moves and why it moves. I like Wes's Apple Pods for 2 weeks. That cheap. They're cheap right. Oh, the Apple puts. They're cheap right now. Well, see, community, bro. Eddie, isn't this what we're always talking about? Building
Yep,
community
182. Hold on. Mine. I got mine. By the way, I just jumped in on a put. Um,
for Apple. Which put?
A 149 put. I think it was like
Okay.
what was like
Okay.
170, somewhere around like buck 80 or something like that.
Okay.
Um,
Hold on. 149 put. I just want to put a little line in here just so I can see where it's at. All right. So this is what we're shooting for. We're shooting for this 149 put. Let's see if we can get in the money. I think you have a good shot to get in that money because because what do I like to do, Eddie, at this point? I like to take
um,
that fib off the lower day. Since we have a higher day, I like to take that fib and see what happens. So you have the 149 put. So if this decides to retrace back to 50%, you're going to be in the money. You're going to be in the money. Now, here's the question though. Did you take that put for today or for next week?
no, that put is for 7 days
Okay, good job.
next week.
So let's see what it does. There's your fib retrace. I've got my chart completely up for you if you need it.
I'm playing the support and resistance there, Wes.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. Bro, I got this goddamn song in my head, dude. I got to get rid of this song out of my head. How do I get rid of this song out of my head? I don't know how to get rid of this song out of my head.
Do, 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 do.
I don't know how to get rid of this song out of my head,
La,
bro.
la,
I
la,
just
la, la. La, 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 la.
seriously, seriously.
La, la,
do
la, 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 la.
do 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 do
There
do.
you go. Now I got that song out your head and I put this one in there.
Woo, 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 woo.
M-A. Oh, that's my why my
Oh,
lines don't add up.
it's easy cause you're beautiful. Do 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 do. See now, oh man, now I got.
All right. Now I was thinking of what's the name of that movie with the
Oh man, I
cartoon?
said that today too. God damn.
Megamind.
What happened? Who? What?
Megamind. Megamind.
Megamind, 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 Megamind. Boom.
You never watch see Megamind with
I was never a cartoon guy, bro.
I have
Like
to
I
watch
just wasn't.
cartoons with my kids, well my daughter especially.
Oh man, I gotta remember all of this crap now. Loving you is easy cause you're. What the? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That is
Well,
not
what you
right.
looking at?
All right, I gotta make a phone call. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna turn my mic off, but I'll be right back.
Don't yell at the wife. She's gonna hit you back. So Apple is much okay. Yeah, I'm playing the 5 minutes, and I actually have it on my trader view. So, but what I want to do is my profits. See, that's how much in my 9 EMA, but it turned under the 9 EMA. Yeah, all right. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. By the way, anybody who's new here, I don't think there's anybody that's new here, but two Uber drivers trying to find a way out of ride sharing through day trading. So yeah. So if you guys want to do the same thing, just remember that we have where is it? Webull QR code, scan it, Webull. It's free and it's paper money before you even use real money. This way you don't do what I'm doing right now, which I keep blowing my account. All right. Trading View, which is what me and Vinny both use for our charting. So we do our charting over here. I think I should keep this chart clean and keep all my lines on my other chart. And also Basic Trading 101, which Vinny does all his supports, goes over how he marks his support and resistance levels. So yeah, but yeah, Uber drivers, we just don't want to do this stuff no more. I don't want to. I don't want to. I like driving. I like meeting people, but I can't. I don't want to. I don't want to do it forever. It's not my thing. So I have my stop right over here. Okay, profit. So I have a 27% loss, and where am I? All right, yep, okay, 40% loss for a possible, 52% win. So that kind of like a one-to-one, one-to-one. But zone over here. So let's see. Hopefully it turns around and goes the other way. It is. MACD is early up here. RSI is turning around. So Speed Racer. I never watched a Speed Racer. Damn, I only watched the remake of a Speed Racer, like the real movie, which I thought was pretty cool. Actually, I had to watch it because of the kids. The kids wanted to see it, and I actually liked it. Um, but Star Wars, actually, I just watched a couple of episodes of the Mandalorian. So I'm a Star Wars fan.
All right, I'm back. Oh my God. Okay.
Wes, here we go. Wes again. I know what Wes is trying to say. He goes, "Remember, I said I'm doing puts 2 weeks out after a retest here." I'm trying to see. See, hold on. So many damn lines. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of this.
Where are we at? What are we doing there, Sir Edward?
I'm still on my put on Apple right now, but I'm just seeing what Wes is trying to see here on Apple, which is the pivot. Like it's right there. Where is it? Okay.
Can't nobody tell me not. That back to that freaking song again. I got to play another song, but I don't want to give you a copyright. Don't want to give you a copyright. Yeah, I don't want to sing that damn song either after what I just dealt with or what I'm dealing with right now.
Well, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I'm in. Here's my position. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, right? A Head and Shoulders, maybe? No? I mean, kind of, mini? I mean, oh no, this is the 3 minute, 5 minute. All right, forget it. That was on the,
What are we looking
that
at?
was, no, 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 I was like, hey, look, a Head and Shoulders. But I was in the 2 minute. What was it? Or was it 1 minute?
Oh man. So I just see a little bit of indecisiveness here on Apple,
Uh-huh.
but it's back in that trap. Here we go. Can it make the move? Will it make the move? Let's put in that 50% retracement off
Yep,
to the
15 minute downtrending, right? Or basically rejecting my zone here. Just came up almost
here
to
we
it.
go.
Almost to it.
And look
All
at the
right.
wicks. Look at your wicks. Don't forget your wicks. Your wicks, rocket ships firing down. Rocket
What
ships are
on the 2 minute you're talking about?
firing. Yeah, I'm on the 2 minute chart because we're at that time of day. We're approaching 11 a.m. Look like it wants to hold up. It looks like it wants to push up, but it's Friday. Sometimes it doesn't work that way, you know. Let's see what Meta's doing. Meta's at 182.33, starting to fall back down a little bit there. That's on the 5 minute chart. Let's put up the 2 minute chart on that. See what it does there. There's Apple, 2 minute. Here's the SPY, 2 minute. Can it get over 400 and hold?
It's the damn waiting game.
Patience, my brother, patience. Yeah, trading's slowing down right now. Everything's slowing down in trading. What's the volume like today? Have you looked at volume at all? Volume is good for today. I mean, it normally trades about 48 million. It's already traded in the first hour and a half, 22 million. I would say volume's a little slow today, but it's there. It's there.
Volume to 1.4. Well, it says right here average volume is 48 million, but the volume right now is 21. and this is for Apple, yeah. Now here is my spy, 5 minutes. But I don't know. This is what I got. It's channeling here. I was in right here. Um, he's like, okay, at 10:39. Yep. So right at this candle.
Oh wow. Haha. Uber's got a newer driver dashboard, driving dashboard.
They changed it. I thought it was the same one. Shows you like if you were
Ah,
speeding or
dude.
not.
Yeah, I've never seen this before. Your driving data with speeding and all of that.
Oh yeah, if you click on it, it shows you like your dashboard that sends you like kind of like an email. Hey, this is your dashboard for this week.
This is the first time I've ever seen this. And it's telling me I was speeding one time. On one
Yeah,
of my trips, I was speeding.
mine used to tell me that I was speeding all the time.
Really? It's telling me I was speeding for about 500 feet yesterday.
Yeah, just wait till you get those speedings on the days that you're not working. I was like,
Oh,
why is it
really?
speeding? Yeah, you're off and you're sitting there and you're like, how the hell am I speeding? I was
You
like,
know
I'm not
what's
even in
bad
my
about
car.
but you know what's bad about this? You know what's bad about this? Is that they'll use this shit against you and swear it's fucking gold.
Yeah, little bastard. They're trying to look for anything to get you out. Anything to get you out.
Fucking idiots.
Okay, give me my indicators.
Well, I can tell you it don't work because if anything, I might have been a little excessive last night on that last trip I took to Miami Beach. I don't really speed a lot, but if I'm on the open highway, bro, we have a law here in Florida that says speed limit or flow of traffic.
And the flow of traffic tends to happen a lot.
Yeah. Wow, the queue at the airport is low. Low.
Come on, come on, Reggie, come on. I'm just playing the. I'm still gonna go ahead and continue playing the five. I have a 40% loss, 52% win, which my profit taken will be like where my VWAP is. But technically, right now it's ranging. I really didn't think it'd be ranging. Go, there we go, and see that? Now this is the issue. Okay, this is one of the issues again that I go through. That of course will play in the odds. I'm coming up to my zone. It's turning around. I'm playing the 5 minute. All right, and it's gonna be go to work, Matthew. Go to work, Matthew. If you're watching, go to work. And I'm just watching it curl to the downside. It's just everything just seems to be like it just wants to come down, right? My zone, my lines. It doesn't want to do anything. Here is my 5 minute. It's my first pullback. My second pullback. I never play the third. I mean, I was looking at my 3 minute, and it was writing the 9 EMA, but it came right under it. Look at that, it's bouncing. So I see it downtrending, and this is gonna be my first profit right here. Take it right down to here, and I have two puts, so I'm gonna sell one and hold the other one break even. See how it goes. But I am playing the odds. The odds are because okay, let's do this. Come on, I need to get this. It's taking too long. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. So, what do we have? Don't we have news at 11 o'clock? Third. Where is it? Oh, President Logan speaks for Dallas. Dallas Fed. Yep, Dallas Fed President Logan. Come on. I know you want to go down. I don't know. I just see it to be very, for me, it looks very bullish there, Wes. It's just flagpole. It's flagging. Looks more bullish than it does bearish. I just need to break to the downside. I want to grab my 15%. Nothing's moving. Nothing.
All right, sorry about that, bro. Just getting beat up a little bit over here this morning. My apologies. No, I don't think you missed me, but my apologies.
Chucky,
So what I miss? What I miss?
nothing. I'm just sitting here waiting for the this thing to decide. I got my profit loss in there, but I'm still in my put. It's
Gotcha.
flagging. I don't know if you could see it's flagging, but I don't know. I'm playing my came up to the zone coming down,
All right.
just
Well,
watching it go.
listen. Are you up or down in the contract right now?
Um, I'm down 2.78%.
Okay. So this is a next week expiration, right?
Correct.
Okay. So you don't necessarily have to trade out of this contract today. How much you what how many contracts do you have?
Oh,
One, two, five,
I think I got two.
two contracts. How much are you invested? 300?
Uh, somewhere around there, like three
Okay.
something.
So what how much was you how much was each contract?
Which is like a buck 80.
Okay. So you
Last
need to
price
make
175.
$18 on each contract to get out at 10%, correct?
Let me see. Where's my trading view? Let me see. At Apple, it will be at.
I'm talking about the contracts. So
Yeah,
if you
but I'm
got
just looking at
100
the price.
okay, okay, but you need to if you want to make a minimum of 10% on the contract, it costs you $180. That's $18. So
Correct.
you can set a sell order.
Not on this. Are you sure? I have it right here.
You can set a sell order on Webull. Click on the contracts over in your what you call it in your
Yes, I
positions.
have I have it. I have it in here.
Okay, click on the position, then right click, and it'll say close position.
Oh, okay. And
Now
it's
tap on
here.
close position. It'll bring up an order.
Yeah, I got it.
Now you can set to sell one contract if it's $1.80, so you're looking at $1.62, gives you 10% on that contract. So you can set one to sell at $1.62. That gives you your 10%. You can set them both to sell and you just let it ride out. That way you don't have to sit and wait on it. and then once it hits your number, it hits your number. It'll sell automatically.
Wait, hold on. Go to cancel.
11/11, y'all make a wish. Put it out into the universe.
Yeah, that was my
I want a,
birthday.
I want $1,000 weekend, buddy. That's my wish. I want $1,000 weekend. I need to keep pace with Eddie. $1,000 weekend. I get punched in the face anymore today. It's going to need fucking $5,000 weekend.
What you get punched in the face for?
Oh, bro, I don't want to put that out into the public. Let's just say it's a continuation. Haha. But I got punched in the face this morning.
I got
It happens.
got
It
a
happens.
met a client yesterday. He's like, yeah, can we call you? We could do a private ride. I was like, well, yeah, yeah. I just, just send it to me, and I'll just, I'll give you a quote. He's like, a quote? I was like, yeah. It's not going to be the same price as Uber.
Richie. Did you ever get paid from the Chinese dude?
No, not yet. Hold on, let me look at my account. Good question. Little
Bro,
bastard.
I'd be tracking his ass down. Me and him would have to fight. All right, send him the nastiest email he ever or nastiest text message he ever got. Something about his mother at a whorehouse.
Let me see if he took care of it. Little bastard. No.
Bro, you gotta send him a picture with his mother bent over by a goat.
From China, looking at the plant, and they were looking how they were making the batteries.
Oh.
They recorded videos and stuff,
Are
and they
you
were
what?
yeah. They
Bro,
were they were
what's
invited
wrong
by
with you?
Tesla. They were invited by. It looks like they were invited by Tesla, and they have videos of them, basically recording how the machine was working.
You mean you were driving Fang Fang around?
I don't know why they
You
let him in there, but
you
hey.
modern you Puerto Rican Eric Swalwell. What the hell?
And I was watching the Scott. I mean, I couldn't understand them, but they were reviewing the video of how the machine was working. You can tell.
They were spying. Y'all got that problem in Texas, man. Y'all got that problem. You remember what was that, a couple years ago or a year ago when Trump they burned down some Chinese spy operation in what was it, Houston? Oh, you know what? You know what, Richie? You don't see no black eyes, huh? Okay. Hey, Richie's got jokes. He got punched in the face here. He says, I don't see no black eye. And Eddie, why were you picking on Wes, bro?
I wasn't picking on West.
Wes says you were picking on him, bro. And Kiara's like, oh, Eddie, you got quiet. You're focused.
Yeah, I'm trying to look at the trade. It's just that it's taking so long that it's been happening a lot on Fridays. So it's like maybe
Remember,
Friday is one of those days where we just don't trade, or I just
I'm
don't
telling
trade.
you, yeah, Friday's usually it's very low volume days. Volume of the week. It's worse than Wednesday, bro. You get
So
all that trading in the first 30 minutes, and then after that, it's like, bwomp, bwomp, bwomp,
there
bwomp.
you go. Oh, that's it goes. Another rule. What's my marker? Another rule. Four will be no Fridays, no Friday trading, but I'm gonna put it with a question mark. Look at look at my 5 minute crossed coming down my zone. 3 minute It looks like it's riding my EMA to, ooh, excuse me, to the downside. 2 minute doing the same thing. Yeah, actually 2 minutes ringing right above and under it. Trade only in the beginning. Yep, we'll do it again on Monday. Oh yeah, we're resetting the accounts, right?
Yeah, I
You
mean,
you made it to your two. You made it to your two.
yeah. Hold on a minute. God damn it. Ain't nobody tell me nothing.
This day trading stuff.
What
Avengers
happened?
5.
What
Oh,
the
look at that. 2020 Cadillac XT6, 43,000 with 30,000 miles.
bro? I would never right now
But
buy a new
it's
car for Uber or Lyft.
it's white.
Uh, uh,
Oh,
uh,
here's a black one. Oh, 2020. All black Cadillac XT6, 7 grand for 49,000.
uh. Wait a minute. Say that again.
2019 Tesla for 32. 2018 Tesla for 33. So it looks like Tesla's going to get a facelift right now.
What's that?
The Teslas are going to be getting facelift.
What do you mean?
Hopefully they look nice. They're going to change the whole entire style of the car.
Are they?
I think so. I hope so.
Hold on. What the fuck?
Look at that 2021 Cadillac XT6 with 38,000 miles, selling for 36. Same color.
Oh man.
2021. Same year as mine, I think.
Same year as yours?
But look at that. It looks like it's breaking the my flag to the upside.
What the hell is this? What the fuck?
All
Okay.
right, so it looks like we might
Okay.
not be trading. What's today? Well, it's technically 11 for you, not for me. It's 10:19.
11:19, my brother. Richie says they need something. The Kia looks nicer. Man, I don't know about all that. Oh, that's what I need to check. What the fuck?
I don't know. I kind of like reliability.
Oh,
Cadillacs are known for their reliability, so except for when my starter went.
what the hell you mean? Can't nobody tell me nothing. Bro, as soon as we get off this goddamn live stream, I'm putting on some music.
All right. Well, it's 11, so should be out of the trade. I'm just playing the 5 minute, waiting for this to break to the downside so I can take my profits. But it's just like my
I'm with you,
window
dog.
keeps closing.
I'm with you, dog. I'm with you. I'm with you, bro. I am with you. We are here.
Window keeps closing. New tab. Let's close this baby.
All right, so I know where I'm
There we
working now.
go. Okay, there we go. Is this it?
But it was another country. So therefore, they can't pay the referral.
Oh, when somebody signed up for your Uber,
Nobody signed
you
up
know how
for
many
this.
referrals I have?
Yeah, but how many of them actually complete it?
Nobody ever completes them. A lot of people are lazy.
Yep.
A lot of people are just plain lazy.
Let me see. On Lyft, they're saying I've got a referral update, but I don't see no goddamn referral update. You know what though? They could say that about anybody, bro. You know what I'm saying? They could sit there and say, "Oh yeah, the guy could be from across the street and down the block, but as far as I know, Lyft will send it to me and say, well, no, he's from another country." You know what I'm saying? You can't trust none of this crap, man. You don't trust none of these bastards for nothing, dude. For nothing. I don't trust nobody for nothing. Man, I don't trust none of this crap.
Hey, look at that, $3.94.
Oh man, what the fuck? Oh god, let's see. Do I have anybody? I've got no pending Uber referrals, and I have no. I
Oh,
have
here we go.
no Lyft referrals.
What the hell's going on? Give it to me. Show me.
Give it to me, baby. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Bro, it's 81 degrees, which is a beautiful day here, right? 81 and partly cloudy, partly sunny rather. And all these cars are sitting in the queue. Like what the fuck?
My God, it won't show.
Woo!
It won't show.
Oh man. So where we at, bro? Where we at? What are we doing? We ready to click this stream? You gonna put your sell orders in? You're gonna take your profits? You're gonna hold them overnight? What do you plan to do?
Well, I'm gonna hold on to this. I'm still gonna play it for the day. I don't want to hold them overnight. I'm not a big fan.
So set in some sell orders.
But um, we can go ahead and I'm going to kill it for today because I don't know. I gotta start all over again on Monday. I'll feel much better.
What do you mean?
Play my support and resistance.
Yes. It's the only way to bounce them. And that's why that's the other reason why they say you pick two or three stocks because two might be very slow. They might be in turtle mode, but the one will have some volatility and some price action. SPY tends to get real slow. This is why I like Tesla. This is why I like Nvidia. This is why I like SPY. And if I see the huge moves on swings on SPY, then I'll flip over to SPX. It's the only I wouldn't play SPX on a regular, as a regular trading situation. It's too much money at risk, way too much money at risk. So yes, we
Oh,
reset. We reset on Monday. We've hit the challenge again. And so where are you at right now as far as your account?
I am. You see this? Jason signed up, and then I had Monique, Danielle, Huboyokan, Hoyan, Joseph, and Jiring. And then nobody. Look, Jason, maybe Jason.
I see
It's
something
about to
really
get it.
close. Somebody's about to hit it.
Yeah, but it's 35 of 180 rides. So
Oh shit.
yeah,
But what's the payout? What's the referral back to you?
800.
Those are nice, bro. And I will say this, when they hit, they do pay.
Yep, I already hit like Uber. I got two of Ubers, which were only like 200 bucks, 300. There were 300, two of them. They
Yeah.
hit.
Yeah. Now
And
the
that's
lift.
another way. That's another way to make another passive income. Which doing the referrals.
Yeah.
But so, but yeah. Anyway, all right. So let's close it. I'm gonna be up anyway. It just broke to the downside, but it don't matter. We're gonna start all over again. on Monday with new accounts. So first
Well,
$1,000 account to 2,000. Damn it, this game
man, hey,
just
pick your chin up,
fucking
bro.
sucks.
Pick your chin up. Because look, it's now it's starting to break down into your area. Now it's starting to break down into your area.
Damn it.
Pick your chin up. Life ain't all sunshine and rainbows, but god damn it, we keep our chin up. We're soldiers. Soldiers. That's why I mess with the group I mess with. Because we're soldiers. That's it. End of discussion. I don't mess with
Isaiah.
losers.
Oh my god, where's my chart?
I don't know.
Where's
What
my
the
chart?
hell are you doing there, dude?
I lost my chart. Anyway,
Oh,
all right. So this is it. Done for today. I'll see you guys um, Monday. Two Uber drivers.
now remember, remember, Monday, Basic Trading 101 will also be live. So don't be afraid to scan that code and sub to that channel. I've got 2 videos up on there. I put them up yesterday. Basic support and resistance, basic trend lines. So I would appreciate the sub over there. And outside of that, I'm with you, homie.
Peace.
You ready? You ready?
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Do it. Do
Do it.
it. Do
Do it.
it.
Pow.